In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task management system in Notion. If you're looking to streamline your productivity and keep track of all your tasks in one place, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up an efficient task management system using Notion, a versatile tool that can adapt to your personal or professional needs. First things first, let's open Notion. If you haven't already, sign into your account. If you're a new user, creating an account is straightforward and quick. Once you're signed in, you'll notice the dashboard where you can organize your workspaces. Here, we'll focus on creating a new workspace dedicated to task management. To get started, you'll need to create a new page. Look on the left-hand side of your screen. There's an option to initiate a new page. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to name your page. Let's call it something identifiable like Task Management System to easily locate it later among your other Notion pages. Once your new page is set up, the goal is to craft a database that will allow you to manage tasks efficiently. For this purpose, we'll use a table format, which Notion handles excellently. Type /table into the body of your page, and this will bring up a menu of options. From there, select Table Full Page. This option creates a spacious table that can accommodate multiple entries and fields, perfect for comprehensive task management. Next, we'll name this table. Click on the unnamed area at the top of your table to name it Tasks. This will serve as the backbone of your system where you can compile an extensive list of all the tasks you need to track. Naming your table up front keeps your workspace organized and easily navigable. As you build out this system, consider how you want to categorize your tasks. Are they projects, daily assignments, or long-term goals? This distinction is where the flexibility of Notion shines. You can create categories within your table by adding properties such as category, due date, priority, or any other criteria that help you organize better. For instance, you may want to set properties such as project and status to reflect their progress. Each row in your table represents a new task where you can populate details related to that task. Think about what specific details you want to track for each task. Usually, task details may include a brief description, deadlines, or even who the task is assigned to if working in a team setting. Finally, remember that Notion allows for extensive customization. Feel free to experiment with customizing the table's appearance or adding icons and colors that suit your style. This personalization can not only make your workspace more visually appealing, but also enhance your motivation to use it regularly. Once you have finished configuring your table, you will have a robust task management system ready to use. Use this setup to prioritize and monitor your tasks, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And there you have it, a simple yet effective task management system within Notion that can adapt to your unique needs. Enjoy organizing tasks like never before.